Hello and welcome dear Mathletes once again to Mathlete Minds. We continue our journey of CBSE Class 10 Mathematics, and right now we are focusing on the topic of statistics. Now in the previous videos of the same, we have understood a lot of technicalities of statistics. We have understood some terms, terminologies and the meanings of them and how do we apply them. And also we have learned the calculation of mean of different types of data. In this video, we continue with the second central tendency, that is the median, and we'll take up how the calculation of median of different types of data presented before us is done. So let us see what are the different types of data that is presented before us. The first one, of course, is ungrouped or individual data. So here we have the question: following are the lives in hours of 15 electrical components, find the median. So here what we do in these type of questions where it is ungrouped or individual data, the numbers may not be that great always. So we have to arrange the data in ascending order. So first of all, we'll arrange the data that is provided in ascending order. Now if you look at this, you have some numbers starting from 7, some from 6, some from 7 again, some from 8. So obviously the least values will start from 6. So the least value is 694. Then we have 696. Then we have 699. Now we move to the 700. So 700 is the least value, 710. Then we have 712. Then we have 715. Then we have 716. Then 719. Then we have here 728, 24, 25. 724. 725, 728, then 734, then we have 745, then we have 812 and 890. So before doing any calculation, check whether you have done all the entries or not. 3, 6, 9, 11, 13, 15. So all the entries are there. Now what we need to do is find out this n plus 1 by 2th observation, because this is 15. So if you add it, divide straight away by 2, you'll get some fraction over there. So in order to avoid that, we add 1, make it even number, and divide by 2. 16 by 2, that is 8th observation. So here if you look at the 8th observation, from either end it will be the same value. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 719 is the median value of this data. That means the median of the lifespans in ours is 719. It is exactly central value. It is not going to be affected by either the least value or the maximum value. Median we know is never affected by the least or the any other value. The next question over here is: following are the marks secured by 16 students, find the median. So here we have 16, the total number of values is 16. So same way we proceed, we arrange the data. The least value is 8, then we have 10, then going down over here we find 12, then we have 16, then we have 17, then we have here 19, 20, 16, 19, 20, then we have 24, 25, 24, 25, and 27, 28, 34, 39, then we have 44, 45, 49, 44, 45, 49. So let me just check out 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, all the values have been entered. So in this case where we have even number of students, we'll take out n by 2th observation, that is of course 16 by 2, that is the 8th observation, and we'll take out n by 2 plus 1th observation. So it is not n plus 1 by 2, it is n by 2 plus 1th observation, that is the 9th observation. Now we'll check out the 8th and 9th observation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So 8th and the 9th observation. Two mid values will be there when we have this even number of students. So we'll take the two mid values, 24 plus 25, and find out their mean. So this becomes 49 by 2, that is 24.5. So the median value of this data is 24.5. That is exactly the halfway mark of this particular data from either end. Next is median of discrete data. Now in this case, the number of students absent in the school was recorded for 147 days. The data was presented in the following frequency table. Obtain the median and describe the information it conveys. So the first row has got number of students absent, and the second row gives the number of days for which they were absent. So what we do in this type of discrete data is first of all find out the cumulative frequency. Now you can do it in the same horizontal way, or you can do it in the vertical way. Vertical way makes it a bit more convenient. So you can do it this way, or nobody is restricting you. You can do it in the horizontal manner also. So cumulative frequency we have dealt in the previous video. Here the first row will have 1, the second row will be 6, the next will be 17, the next one will be 31, then this will be 47, then this will be 60, 70, 140, 144, 145, 146 and 147. So we were told initially that there were 147 days for which they were absent. So total cumulative frequency is 147. That means the summation of frequency is 147. N is 147. Now to find out the median value, you can proceed by adding 1 to it, n plus 1 by 2th observation, and check out the median straight away. Or you can proceed by n by 2th observation also. In both cases, you will get the same value. This will be 148 by 2. So here we will get 73.5, here we will get 74. Now 0.5 is not there in the cumulative column, so both these values will be the same. So what we do is now go to the cumulative frequency. Now how to check out the median value. So here you see in this particular row, this value is 70. And we have the 73.5. So definitely it is not going to be this particular value. You have to go to the next row. Our next row has the values greater than 70, equal to 140, and less than 140. So the median value is pertaining to this particular row, and so the median is equal to 12. That means the information that this data conveys is there were 12 students who were absent for the maximum number of 70 days. So this is the information this particular data conveys. Next is median of group data. So here we have the lifetime of 400 neon lamps, and we have to find the median life. So minimum value of the lifespan is 1500 in hours, and the maximum is 5000. These are the number of neon lamps which can survive these many lifetime in hours. So here also, first of all, what we do is make a cumulative frequency column and find out the cumulative frequency. So this will be 14, this will be 56, 60, 70, this will be 130, then this becomes 6, 11, 216, this will be 290, this will be 2, 15, and this is 3, and this is equal to 400. Now in the group data, for calculation of median, there is a formula. Here we are getting n as 400. So n by 2 of course is 200 over here. So now what we have to do next is first find out the median class. And the median class will be found out by finding n by 2. N by 2 is 200. So now let us check out to which class 200 relates. Now this is 130. Beyond 130 is 216. So that means 200 relates to this class. 3000 to 3500. Because this class is restricted till 130. And beyond 130, any number that is there, that goes up to this particular class. So the median class is 3000 to 3500. This is the first thing that you need to do. Then the formula that we have for the median, that is given by median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Now what are these terms? Let us understand that first. L is the lower limit of the median class. So here it will be 3000. N by 2 is 200. Cumulative frequency here is the cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class, that is 130. Then F is the frequency of the median class, that is 86. H represents the class interval. Class interval is 500. So now we'll put the values in this formulae and find out the median. So median is equal to L, that is 3000, plus n by 2, that is 200, minus cumulative frequency of the preceding class, that is equal to 130. This is 130, and this is this frequency is given as 86, and H is 500. Let me just cross check the frequency is 86. Yes. So now what we do is keep the 3000 separate. We'll first simplify this part and we'll get here 70 by 86 into 500. So this is 3543. 35. Now don't take out the LCM. We'll make your work easy. So keep this separate. Plus 35 into 5, that is 175. 17500 by 43. Now we'll divide 17500 by 43. And whatever answer we get, we add to 3000. So this will be approximately 4 4 64 times. 4 3 is 12, 4 4 16, 172. Remainder is 3. Bring down 0, it is not divisible. Put a 0 and bring down the other 0. So now this is 300. So let us take 6 times. 6 3 is 18. 1, 6 4 is 24, 25. If we take it 7 times, 7 3 is 21. Carry over 2, 7 4 is 28. It exceeds, so 6 times. 6 3 is 18. 1, 6 4 is 24. So we are left with 42. Put a decimal point and do one more place. 420. Obviously, it will go beyond this. So let us check out a 9. 9 3 is 27. 2, 9 4 is 36. Yes, 9 times. 9 3 is 27. 2, 9 4 is 36, 38. So this is 3. And this is again 3. So approximately 406.9. So added to this, you get here 3406.9 is the median value of the lifetime in hours. So getting back to the question over here, the median value of course comes in the median class. So that you must be getting, if you check your answer, if it does not come in the median class, then your answer is incorrect. So that is the one way of checking it out. Put the appropriate value, understand this formula carefully, and then write down those values carefully in this so that the calculation is correct. The next question again is of group data, and here we have the median value given, but 2 missing frequencies are there. So first thing that we do is again find out the cumulative frequency. So the first row is F1, the second row will be 5 plus F1, this will be 14 plus F1, this will be 26 plus F1, this will be 26 plus F1 plus F2, and this will be 29 plus F1 plus F2. This will be 31 plus F1 plus F2. So 31 plus F1 plus F2 is equal to 40, because the total of frequency is given as 40. So we are given 2 missing frequency, total of frequency is given, and the median is given. So we can write down the first equation as 31 plus F1 plus F2 is 40. So F1 plus F2 is equal to 9. So this is your first equation. We'll be using it at the end. Next thing what we do is get back to the formula. Now the median is given 32.5. So with this value, we'll identify the median class. So the median class is 30 to 40. So the median class is equal to 30 to 40. So the lower limit L value, L is 30. Then we have the cumulative frequency of the class preceding it. Cumulative frequency is 14 plus F1. Then the frequency of the particular class is 12. And the H value is 10. So now we get back and put the values over here. So in the formula, 32.5 is equal to 30 plus, now the value of n by 2 will be 20. N by 2 will be 20. This is 20. This is 20 minus cumulative frequency of the preceding class, and that is, the cumulative frequency of the preceding class is 14 plus F1. So this becomes 14 plus f1. Now to avoid all mistakes, please put it in brackets. And then we have the frequency of the median class is 12 and the h value is 10. So this is 12 and this is 10. Now what we do is transfer 30 to the left hand side. We get here 2.5 is equal to 20 minus 14. Now open up the bracket. So this will become minus f1 by 12 into 10. So this becomes 2.5 into 12 is equal to 6 minus f1. This is 14 by into 10. Keep this in bracket again. So this is 12 by 60, 12 to 24, 30. So we get here 30 is equal to 6 minus f1 into 10. So 6 minus f1 is equal to 3. So f1 is equal to 3. So f1 plus f2, we got the first relation as 9. So f2 will obviously be equal to 6. So you can just see the simplification process here. Don't mix up this 30 with this 12 over here and take out the LCM. It will, of course, you will get the answer, but it will be a very lengthy process. So transfer 30 to the left hand side, cross multiply, and see immediately you get the value 10. This 30 gets cancelled with 3. Even if you simplify it, won't be any big issue. You can do that. So this is how we do the simplification. I hope you like the explanation. Thank you for watching. Kindly like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you once again for watching.